Okay, awesome. Hopefully you just answered the question. Which atom is going to have a smaller atomic radius, lithium or potassium? And hopefully you said lithium, okay? Because lithium only has 2 energy levels, or I should say its outermost electrons are in the 2nd energy level. For potassium, the outermost electrons are in the 4th energy level, which is farther away. So the force is going to be less. So the potassium electrons will not be pulled in as tightly, and the radius will be smaller. All right, awesome. All right, let's talk about rows, okay? So this is again a review from yesterday. One of the key points from yesterday was that when you have elements in the same row, so for example, from sodium to argon here, they all are at the 3rd energy level. I should say their electrons, their outermost electrons for each of these are in the 3rd energy level. So in this case, distance is not a factor because they're equally distant. Okay, but as we added protons to the nucleus, the charge in the nucleus became greater. So there was a stronger attraction between the nucleus and the outer electrons when there were more protons. Okay, so as you go across this row, there's a greater force for argon between the protons and the electrons than there is for sodium. Okay, so then the question becomes, okay, how is this going to impact the size of the atomic radius for elements that are in the same row? All right, so think about that one for a second. Okay, and see if you can answer that question on the next question on the Schoology quiz. Which atom will have a smaller atomic radius in this 3rd energy level, the 3rd row, sodium or argon? Okay,